Over to politics in Delhi, uncertainty over the government formation may end soon. An Aam Aadmi Party delegation is likely to meet President Pranab Mukherjee later in the evening to stall the bid that could pave way for the BJP to form the government in Delhi. In the meantime, Aam Aadmi Party leader Ashutosh has mounted a fresh attack on LG. In a tweet, the leader faulted LG's assessment that MLAs were against elections. He claims that LG must realize that India is a people's democracy and not a democracy of MLAs. The letter from Delhi LG Najib Jung to the President has now been forwarded to the Home Minister for his opinion. Sources say the file is on Rajnath Singh's desk, but he's unlikely to take a decision anytime soon.
BJP never shies away from any election, and certainly not today when we are on a winning streak and the people of India, and particularly the people of Delhi, have given us such an overwhelming victory. I think it's very ironical that some people are making this suggestion. I thought we would be the ones who would be alleged to be itching for an election. Okay. It's just that we want to give every possibility a chance. We have an open mind in every respect. Ideally, we would like to go into an election and win back the state, because we won all the 7 Member of Parliament seats here. It's only that we do respect that there has been an election. Members have been elected to the Legislative Assembly, and the views of everybody have to be considered before a final decision is taken.
Now, top sources in the ministry tell headlines today that Rajnath Singh wants to avoid an even bigger controversy by ensuring they're on sound legal footing if it were to respond affirmative to the President. Apart from the Supreme Court deadline, there's another factor at play. Modi Sarkar wants to avoid elections along with elections in Haryana and Maharashtra. The Aam Aadmi Party and Congress, meanwhile, have hit out at the Lieutenant Governor and the BJP.